Hey, welcome guys back to the channel. Here today we're gonna be installing my yellow fog lights. So pretty much I'm gonna be installing the vinyl back here. Just ordered some yellow vinyl. I'm gonna be slapping that on. And another thing is I'm gonna show you guys how my car looks right now. Looks way lower than the front. The reason why was because I was putting some Godspeeds from a 2013 coupe Civic SI, but unfortunately the front suspension didn't fit. I guess because of the bolt pattern on the knuckle, like the bolt measurement wasn't like basically lined up to the one with the 14s and 15s. They kind of made it a little different, so I had trouble putting them on, and when I did put them on, they actually did not work out as well because my tire was rubbing. So this tire right here was rubbing the Godspeed coil right here, so I couldn't even mount my wheel. I was gonna need spacers, so pretty much everything got complicated. And then my wheels were actually cambered in, so it didn't work out. So I was like, you know what, let's just put the stock suspension in the front again. And I ran into a little problem. When I installed it, I kind of stripped my linkage thread. So that's the cold start. Sounds really good. And my car's really dirty, I need to wash it. But yeah, let's get right into it. Let's install the yellow fog light film. So I'm gonna start off by removing the bolt right here, taking off the two bolts on the side here on the other side, and then opening up the hood. So now that we have the hood open, I'm gonna be removing this plastic piece and then these two screws right here, and they'll come right off. Alright, now that I removed the screws and the cover on top right here, I'm gonna be pulling it off from the side, working my way all the way across. Alright, so I just remembered, since I have my lip installed, it's actually holding up the whole bumper. I think I'm gonna have to remove the bottom screws from the lip because it's not budging. So I guess I'm just gonna let me just remove some screws. There you go. Had to remove my lip. I think I'm just gonna be installing the lip separately, or you know what, now I'm just gonna put some bolts and washers on it, and I'm just gonna get rid of like the two clips right here, that clip right there and the other clip over here, only because my lip is the one that blocks it, so I don't want to be having to take it off every time. So I'll just have it together with the bumper. But yeah, other than that, I have access to my fog light right here, so that's all the room I need. Alright, so after an hour of time, the fog lights are yellow. It may not be perfect, but it does the job. You can't really tell. Oh, and also one more thing. I'm gonna be putting my lip back on later today. I'm gonna go buy some screws, bolts and nuts actually, and I'm gonna bolt it in place because it was only holding on to screws. So I think the bolts and nuts will do better, and of course the washers. But alright guys, see you guys in the next video. Peace.